Wiring would be a lot easier if you could just simply connect things like point to point like I have done in my design. However, for better manufacturing and maintainability, I want to go ahead and route this wire through the segment and place them properly in my design. So I will be go back to my harness, and here there is a option of create segment tool. So I will be used to start create segment tool. In addition to adding electrical pins to my components, I have also added work point in several locations normal to the surface on the part that I would like to go on the harness to approach from. I can leverage this as I create my segments by picking them and adding them by point to point as I do in the same as the wire. So I'm just picking from here to here. Then I will be move the mouse here, right click, edit offset. Let's say offset distance is 0.3, and then picking here there is also a point, and then connecting to the splice. Now from here continue from this point to this point and this point. Right click and continue. Similarly, from this splice I want to continue from this point to somewhere about here, then this point, then connecting all the point. Similarly, I can also break a point. So create a point somewhere about here. Then connecting this point. Like this. Even though this is my segment has been created, but still for the better maintainability, I can also modify to the point. So for example, I can hover over a point, right click, and there is the option of 3D move rotate, and I can move this point for a better maintainability. And then right click and say OK. So as you can see, my wire path also gets updated. Similarly, I can also add the point. So right click here. That is the option of add the point. So that it will be add the point, and same process I can do it for better path generation. So select this point, right click, 3D move rotate, and right click and say OK. So this is how you will be added the segment in your profile. So now I have added a point, then modify its position, and this one will work nicely for my next segments. And now I will be go for the final stage in developing 3D harness.